Yes, students, now see the third question. In third question, assume following data is stored in the data frame name as df1. So this is the df1 data frame, and we have to write these commands. Which command? Find total cell per state, find total cells per employee, find total cells both employee wise and state wise, and next find mean, median and minimum cell state wise, and last find maximum cells by individual employee. Clear? And this is the data frame. So now such type of commands we can perform into the data frame with help of pivot table. Clear? So we first understand what is the pivoting. What is the pivoting? Pivot, a pivoting data frame. Actually, without the pivoting, we cannot able to perform and we cannot analysis such type of record. So that's why we have to first understood what is the pivoting. Clear? So the pivoting is the popular library for data analysis. So this is used for the data analysis. So pivoting is one of the key action for our data analysis, means providing an access of the table data. So you actually access your data, and on the basis of that access the database will work. So any one access row wise, column wise, you can access your data, and according to that access the database will be work. So this is a pivoting. Using pandas, MS Excel type of pivoting table can be created. So in with help of the pivoting we can create like MS Excel data, and with help of that data we can easily analyze any record. These tables summarize the big data and create meaningful reports to save your time. So with help of this pivoting we can summarize our data, our big data, and we can also create a report in meaningful way. Pivoting table allow us fetch information to fetch information, important record from a large and detailed data set. And pivoting table can automatically sort, count and total, etc. In general, pivoting means to use unique value from a index column and make data frame. So we will use some column, and according to that column we can frame out our database. To make pivot table we use pivot or pivot table method from the pandas. So we have to use the pivot or pivot table method for pandas. So with this method we can easily convert our records into the pivoting form.